Welcome back again. It's your girl Atafa the Press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right this or right there, my people. So all I want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
A blessed good day to you, my wisdom warriors. Wagwan, wagwan. I hope you guys are in good spirits. Anyway, may I tell you, may have some bad news to drop on Uno first, and then we're going to get into the nitty-gritty. So, a popular footballer was shot dead and another man injured when gunmen invaded a home on Water Street in Denham Town, West Kingston. The dead man has been identified as former Boys Town player 40-year-old Rafiq Thomas. The injured man has been hospitalized. So my wisdom warriors, I hear a popular footballer killed in Kingston and it's a home invasion. Listen, you see, boy, I don't really know what go down. I don't know what is going on, my wisdom warrior. This is very sad. And when me telling you say it is sad, it is very, very sad. These things just not reduce. These things not stop. You know, the crime and violence is not reducing. I don't know what the government are wait upon for try to put something in place. Blows and skirt, you know, it's just a sad situation. When I hear how the little girl is crying for her dad, may I tell her, say, I feel her pain. My wisdom warriors taking this. My wisdom warriors, honestly, when I try to show you, honestly how the little girl cry, and I cry for her father. You see, boy, these things, we don't know when it's going to stop, you know. It come like this will never stop. It come like it not even going to reduce. It's getting worse. By the day go by, everything is getting worse. I'm telling you, say 2 weeks, me I wait upon them to put out the statistic. 2 weeks. Remember, say every week they run out, you know, and compare. But for the last 2 weeks, me not say no comparing a go on. So me don't know what I go on. Una if you come out and talk truth, you know say una can't manage what is going on, and you know say the crime is getting worse. And now una no put nothing in place. I don't understand, and una claims that una love Jamaican people. And una no put nothing in place. Una always wait till something happen, then everybody run up and down. Anytime something happen, that time una run out. But una try to put something in place. From when una they talk about the Jamaica Eye, they are Kingston, una say, some part of Kingston, una need to put all them something there all over Jamaica. Una have to do something, the government has to do something. You know? Boy, you know, the place not safe. The place just not safe. None at all. Well, my wisdom warriors, the Crime Monitoring Oversight Committee has complained that despite the government's commitment to provide funding, no financial support has been forthcoming from the state. My wisdom warriors, you hear what me just say a while ago? The CMOC, which is called the Crime Monitoring Oversight Committee. I never know say the crime department have an oversight committee. Me box cover integrity commission have oversight committee. I never know. If this a man I never run out now, if you can't tell me what is going on. We wanna know. So wait there. Stick up in. Wanna hear what the crime monitoring oversight committee say, my wisdom warriors? They said that despite the government's commitment to provide funding, no financial support has been forthcoming from the state, and this has been limiting its capacity to adequately function. Yeah? So wait there. Andrew Holness and Horace Chang talk how they spend billions and millions in a crime. Hey, listen. And that then come out and say in a House of Parliament every year. So you have the oversight committee now a bust up this, you know. And I say there's no financial support. How can you have such a committee, which is called oversight committee, and uno now support the committee? Remember, said this a committee you put in place, you know, for help for reduce crime. This is why there is no crime plan. No, everything a connect. No, everything makes sense. No, everything makes sense. My wisdom warriors, you know, see what go on. These people put in place for help. Remember, say them is independent body, you know. And then, remember, you know, every department need money. So why uno not give money? I think the last time they must did give them 300. I think a 300,000, you know. I think a 300,000. I'm not sure. I think that was in 2021. I'm not really sure, my wisdom warriors. But uno fi put money in so uno can get result. Which part uno fi put your money uno now? Put your money. Boy, anything fi do with the Jamaican people, uno really not care. Uno Andrew Holness administration, uno no care whatsoever about the people. No, all of the dots them a connect. This is why uno not have a crime plan. Uno go on like uno solve crime and uno not solve shit. Uno go on like uno busy, have everything under control and crime are reduced and uno not do nothing. My wisdom warriors, they always say, you ever see some people, they look busy, but really and truly they not busy. Andrew Holness administration that. I saw them work. They go on like them I do everything in this world. And they not do nothing for help with Jamaican people. Pay a bag of mouth. Pay a bag of mouth. Uno get too much million and billion. So why uno not support the oversight committee? Why uno not put money in so crime can reduce? Uno need to do better. Uno need to do better. And this is the things when me always come out and talk about. And me have to show up and show up these things. When me see it, me say, Rated, I never know, sir, the crime department did have an oversight committee. I never know. But it's a reason why they not talk about it, you know, because it is an independent body. You don't notice. So anytime it's an independent body, they don't want to put no money in, they don't want support. And remember, it will benefit the Jamaican people. So why you want to put money? Boy, me no know. Seriously. What you want to do with the money? What you do with the money? See, no sir, Nigel Clark, you a long time the blogger then run with you, you know. Your time I come little by little because you are the money man. You are the finance minister and you release the money. You, what you fit do for the Jamaican people, you're not doing. My wisdom warriors, me want to hear this. Tax Administration Jamaica boss faces PAC today over unused multi-million-dollar rental. Hey, my wisdom warriors, wanna see what them are doing with the taxpayer money? Wanna see? Tax Administration Jamaica Commissioner General Ainsley Powell will appear before Parliament Public Accounts Committee to field questions on the nearly 400 million spent by the agency for leasing 2 buildings that remain unoccupied for up to 3 years. So wait there, Sir Ainsley Powell not throw underneath the bus now. Ainsley Powell not show underneath the bus. No, me I go ask on this. Because you know say everything have to go through Nigel Clark. You know that. Say everything have to go through Nigel Clark. So Nigel Clark need to come in front of the class too. Nigel Clark need to appear in the my wisdom warriors. Nigel Clark need to appear in front of the Parliament too. He need to appear because him is the finance minister. He is the finance minister. You see how them people are there? You see how them people are there? So, we want to know, those 2 buildings, a full building them there. We want to know, you know, if I know MP. Because we know say MP like for own building. And then when you look, when you hear from the shout, a taxpayer money a pay for them the unoccupied building. Remember, you know, you have to remember good. So we want to know, Nigel Clark, we want you to come talk. Me can't believe it. Me can't believe. Of course, I said the man when name Ainsley Powell. Of course. Of course, I see people are comment and I say figure prison. Nigel Clark figure prison too. Nigel Clark figure prison too. And that me want to know. Nigel Clark figure prison too. Because him have to know about this. Him have to know about this. This is why I say the Procurement Act, you need to review it. It time when I go around, but when I review this and review dual citizenship, you need to go and review the Procurement Act because the public have all right to know how the taxpayer money is spent and who and the apartment them a full apartment and who the taxpayer money are go to. We need to know all of that. A full time now. Remember, say a few with taxpayer money, you know. So we have all right to know who I collect it. We want to know who I give it out and who I collect it. Me can't believe, so look how much things need to be done in Jamaica. Look how much people need help. Why you not take your money and give to the people them? Give to the elderly people them. Help the little kids them, the disability children. Why you not use the money and give it every week to parents? Why you not do that and help the elderly every week? That would make more sense. When I take the money, take taxpayer money and do what you want to do with it. You not stop it, man. When he's a set of criminal, the whole of you go jail, when you go prison for life, the whole of you too wicked, man. And then you come out every day and come preach how you good of good governance. You is not of no good governance. Because as far as me see, none of you sign the code of conduct. None of you sign the code of conduct. So you no mean well for Jamaica. None of you. You too wicked, man. Always I take taxpayer money and I do as I like and I do as I please and left Jamaican people for suffer. Not even medication there at the hospital them. Not even that before you take your money go buy medication. Why you no wicked and Andrew unless I talk about Republic and president and him want to be president? You must say mad. That will never happen. That could never happen. Jamaican people could never suffer fool. Jamaica people could never suffer fool. If you gonna make Andrew Holness be president, you must lick on the head. That will never happen. After all them taxpayer money are rub up. And them must say, oh, Ainsley Powell, Nigel Clark needs to go in front of the class. Not only Ainsley Powell alone, Nigel Clark too. Because him are the finance minister. My wisdom warriors, wanna tell me how you feel about this. Tell me what you think about it and put an honest opinion in the comment section. Like up the video, share it out, and subscribe to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. I want to run over to my TikTok and my IG page. Follow me. The link I go there in the comment section. Bless upon a nice clean self. One love.